This is a trickier polynomial division, and you will encounter y, and you will probably develop a good plan for dealing with this. So I'm going to focus in only on my first terms, and I want to multiply by x squared. So I'll get x squared minus 2, sorry, x cubed minus 2x squared. I'll subtract. But here's where I'm confused. So the x cubed minus x cubes, that goes away, good. But then I'm subtracting from the what am I subtracting the negative 2x squared from? That's so strange. So here is my recommendation. When you get something, when you get a dividend that does not progress in decreasing degree, notice this goes from x cubed and there's no x squared and there's no x, and it suddenly just jumps to the constant. So when you get a polynomial like this and it does not just march down in decreasing degrees for every term, my recommendation is put in those terms just as space holders. Then we won't get into this conundrum up here. So we're going to start over now that we've rewritten this. I still have the exact same problem as up here. I've just expanded this into a fake 4-term polynomial because it will make my division easier. So x squared, I'm going to multiply it by both. I'll get x cubed minus 2x squared. I'm going to subtract. I want to make sure I do this subtraction properly. Whoops. So 0x squared minus a negative 2x squared, so it actually ends up being positive. Now I'm going to bring down this 0x. Okay, this x goes into the 2x squared 2x times. So 2x squared minus 4x. Make sure you're distributing to both. Now I'm going to subtract. I want to make sure I do 0x minus a negative 4x properly. Okay, that'll give me a 4x. Now I'm bringing down this 8. Okay, x goes into 4x just 4 times. 4x minus 8. Ah, nice. That works. I get a remainder of 0. So the main thing to notice here is putting in these fillers, these space savers, that help you get less confused when you encounter this situation.